Hey, Josh over at CFT Performance. Everybody was asking about how I'm doing the titanium anodizing that we do in here. It's something extremely simple. It's literally all you're going to be needing is a little bit of baking soda. You'll need a power supply unit and literally a bucket of water that you put it all in. All we do is use DC current voltages, literally everything from 0 to all the way up into the hundreds, depending on what colors you want. Just to kind of like show how simple it all is. I mean, as long as your titanium's fully clean and ready to go, you can set the piece right in there. And I mean, it happens so fast. That's how fast it anodizes. It's so crazy. And that's all there is to it. I mean, it's good and it'll last forever. So, that's it. Beautiful, just pretty, just screams money, 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 money.